Welcome to Practice Easy English. Common English verbs for daily conversation. Cheer. To make someone feel happier. Did the surprise cheer you up? Yes, it lifted my spirits. Sadden. To make someone feel sad. Did the news sadden you? Yes, it made me feel down. Amaze. To astonish, surprise, bewilder. Did the performance amaze you? Yes, it left me in awe. Worry. To make someone feel anxious. Does the situation worry you? Yes, it makes me anxious. Excite. To make someone feel very happy, eager, or enthusiastic. Did the trip excite you? Yes, it got me thrilled. Disgust. To cause someone to feel a strong sense of dislike or revulsion. Did the smell disgust you? Yes, it made me feel sick. Comfort. To make someone feel better. Did the talk comfort you? Yes, it put me at ease. Anger. To make someone feel angry. Did his words anger you? Yes, they made me mad. Disappoint. To make someone feel let down. Did the result disappoint you? Yes, it left me disheartened. Delight. To make someone feel very happy. Did the gift delight you? Yes, it brought me joy. Frighten. To make someone feel scared. Did the thunder frighten you? Yes, it scared me a lot. Calm. To make someone feel peaceful. Did the music calm you? Yes, it soothed me. Surprise. To make someone feel astonished. Did the news surprise you? Yes, it caught me off guard. Depress. To make someone feel deeply sad. Did the weather depress you? Yes, it made me feel gloomy. Bore. To make someone feel uninterested. Did the lecture bore you? Yes, it was dull. Comfort. To make someone feel reassured. Did her words comfort you? Yes, they made me feel better. Overwhelm. To make someone feel strongly affected. Did the task overwhelm you? Yes, it was too much. Soothe. To make someone feel calmer. Did her words soothe you? Yes, they relaxed me a lot. Annoy. To make someone feel irritated. Did the noise annoy you? Yes, it got on my nerves. Inspire. To make someone feel motivated. Did the speech inspire you? Yes, it pushed me to act. Confuse. To make someone feel puzzled. Did the instructions confuse you? Yes, they were unclear. Embarrass. To make someone feel awkward. Did the mistake embarrass you? Yes, it made me blush. Amuse. To make someone feel entertained. Did the joke amuse you? Yes, it made me laugh. Impress. To make someone feel admiration. Did the artwork impress you? Yes, it was remarkable. Relax. To make someone feel at ease. Did the vacation relax you? Yes, it was very calming. Exhaust. To make someone feel very tired. Did the work exhaust you? Yes, it wore me out. Motivate. To make someone feel encouraged. Did the coach motivate you? Yes, he gave me the boost I needed. Stress. To make someone feel tense. Did the upcoming exam stress you? Yes, it made me anxious. Satisfy. To make someone feel content. Did his work satisfy you? Yes, it was fulfilling. Discourage. To make someone feel less confident. Did the failure discourage you? Yes, it shook my confidence.